welcome to Beth's Best Hair. I'm so happy that you can be here today. And guess what? Paula Young is sponsoring this video today because I am revealing a brand new style for you today. This is Nina. Nina is in the exclusive color Sandstorm. So let's learn all about this fun and bouncy curly style. So this is your exclusive sneak peek at Nina. Now remember, if you want to see her, you have to go to paulayoung.com. Then you click on new, then you click on exclusive sneak peek. That's where you can see Nina and all the other new release styles. You will also be seeing this in your catalog in November. And don't forget, when you're shopping, you can use my discount code. That's BBH20. You can save 20% off each wig $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. Use that anytime you shop from now until February 28th of 24. Nina is designed after Brittany. Brittany is a super popular Paula Young style. She is just long, curly, and beautiful. So Nina is the shortened version of Brittany. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Nina's stock photo over here. I'll also include her measurements on the screen. Let's spin around so that we can see her all the way around. Look at those bouncy, bouncy curls. So fun and cute. Just oodles and oodles of bouncy ringlet curls. Now I know a lot of my curly girls out there, you are gonna want Nina in your collection, and so many of you like your bangs, so I think you will really like the fact that Nina has this full bang. It's so cute, they're curled. I love it. So let's talk about this color, Sandstorm. Sandstorm is an exclusive color to Paula Young. The color code is 824101S8. So we're gonna have our number 8 root, which is your medium golden brown, and your 101 is platinum, and 24 is gonna be your brownish blonde. So you can see sort of the brownish blonde on the ends here, right here, and your platinum highlights kind of more around the face and on top. And the rooting does run all the way through. Now, this is an average cap for me, and it fits good. It fits like a true average to me. Here's the ear tabs. I also want to let you know that Nina is available in all Paula Young preferred colors. So it's 22 colors. Lots of options with this girl. Nina is made of the regular Canaclon fibers, and she does have some permatease in here to hold those curls all the way up. Nina is your basic cap wig. We have your soft front, open ear tabs, extended nape. We do have those Velcro closures. I do feel like there's a good amount of stretch as well. So I just want to give you a couple tips on caring for your curly wigs. You want to make sure that you don't brush them because you don't want them to get frizzy. If you do have tangles, I just use my wide tooth comb and I kind of hold the hair and start on the bottom where I feel the tangle, and then I just comb it out. That is all that I do. Also remember, water is always going to kind of revive it back. Just spritz with water, zhuzh it up. I also love the Paula Young Luster Spray, and I use this a lot. It just is very refreshing. It kind of also helps to tame flyaways. It's not a conditioner, but it is a really good refreshing spray for your synthetic wigs. Now, if you're looking to do something a little bit different or maybe bring it down just a little bit, you can always style with a headband. And curly styles are so cute with headbands. Sometimes I even will do just a couple and layer them just to give it a little extra something something. Super fun. If you want to bring the front down just a little bit, keep your bangs down because remember it's a basic cap wig, so you want to disguise the wig line. But you can kind of do these twists and then just add your claw clip and do the same on the other side. And we're just bringing some of that volume down. And clip that. And that's gonna look cute. It kind of brings the volume down. My daughter just walked in and she's like, well, hello, Sandy. And I'm like, well, hello, Danny. Don't you think it's time you better shape up? 'Cause I need a man and my heart is set on you. And then my husband walked in and he's like, well, that's cute. So I guess they like the curly girls on me. I hope that you all enjoyed this look at the cute and fun Nina, your brand new exclusive sneak peek at this fun style. I'd like to thank Paula Young again for sponsoring this video today. And I want to make sure that I give you an outside look at this beautiful color, Sandstorm. So on the way out, let's go ahead and do that. And I'll see you all very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.